Hello everyone, my name is Anson Anthony and welcome back to Simple Smart Trader channel. So I hope you enjoyed the profits today because market respected our levels and then slow and steadily it went down. So I also took a small trade and then it was my team and me who worked together and took the trades, and it was a good profitable trader where we earned a good profits. So hit the like button and share with maximum people and subscribe to my channel if you haven't earned the money today, okay, because I am giving all the premium contents for free. So you have to subscribe to my channel where you can understand the markets and you can understand the levels, important levels, and then you can trade and you can also be a profitable trader. So this is not an advice or tip, but this is the suggestions. Whatever I know, I'm just teaching it to you. You have to learn and then you have to take your own risk and then you have to earn the profit. So today we'll be discussing about stocks and then we'll be moving into index where important levels will be discussed, especially for Bank Nifty because tomorrow is the expiry for Bank Nifty. So let's begin market analysis for tomorrow. And the first stock which we have in our list is AU Bank. So if you see AU Bank in daily time frame, so once let's see AU Bank in daily time frame, and also I will suggest let's go and check out weekly time frame. Yeah, so weekly time frame, if you see clear cut, there is a beautiful resistance point here. Okay, so if there is a beautiful resistance point here, and if you see there was a trapeze zone, and again market has come to a level of this, that is 777, 780, that level. So what we can do is in AU Bank, let's go to 1 day's time frame and understand what exactly is market trying to do. So in this level, in this zone, exactly this zone was acting as a resistance. Okay, market gave a trap. Okay, market tried to move up, but again with a strong bearish candle it came down. So our plan is to move down, as the stock is moving downwards. We can just take out the trades and we can just make our levels and we can earn our profit. So what we can do is let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and before that I would suggest let's go to 1 hour's time frame to understand where exactly we can build our strategies and how we can work here and what strategies we can apply here. So in 1 hour's time frame, if you see, market has given a beautiful double top type pattern and market is coming near to its 200 EMA. So what I would suggest is where market has closed here. Okay, so this level is equally very important because market has closed. Okay, and if you see there is a resistance point somewhere here, it is acting as a support point here, and market has closed here. So in 15 minutes time frame, we can get a clear cut picture of what exactly we have to plan for tomorrow. So 777 would be your entry point tomorrow, okay, in AU Bank. So I would just mark with the arrow so that it would be easy for you to understand. So this would be your entry point, and the targets are very much clearly in front of you. That is one target here and second target here. Yeah, only two targets for AU Bank, but this two targets is very easily achievable. Okay, so what we can do is the entry point would be 777 and the first target 764 and then 755. But if somewhere market is reversing from 777, you can also go for bullish side. Yeah, and the targets which I would suggest is clear cut target of 794 and also a clear cut target of this one. Yeah, that is 810. So these two targets are very easily achievable in AU Bank. Okay, you have to trade well, you have to understand the levels. These are very important levels as there is a market. You have to learn from it and then you have to apply on your trading strategies. So now let's go to index, and index, if you see in 15 minutes time frame, it was a beautiful moment. Okay, if you see exactly in its 200 AM, it took a support, it gave you a beautiful targets here, because if you see there was continuously 4 candles which was giving beautiful targets, and then after that from, if you see, from 10:30 till this side, that is 145, it was properly in a box, and once this box got broke out, it gave a beautiful movement downwards and it tried to fill the gap which was pending from long. So let's plan for tomorrow in Nifty. It was a beautiful rally and bears have given you a beautiful trap. So in in daily time frame, what we can see exactly is in daily time frame, if you see there is a pure consolidation movement which is going on continuously. If you see from last 27 December till now, market is just inside this box and it is closing near to its rally. So two things can be possible. It will be taking a support and it would be moving up, or it might break this level and then slow and steadily it will be planning to come down. So what I was thinking is like market is planning for a down rally, because if you see exactly in 1 hour's time frame, there is a clear cut patterns which has been closed. Okay, if you see gap up, then downwards, gap up and then downwards, and exactly this level. Okay, So instead of marking with the horizontal level, if you see this level is acting as a beautiful support zone. And which is these levels? These levels are nearly 21,500, around 21,500. So what we can plan for tomorrow is in 15 minutes time frame, we will understand what exactly we can do. So we'll remove this level. Okay, I removed this level. Okay, yeah, and then let's mark the closing point. So the most important level according to me for tomorrow is this level. Okay, somewhere this level, yeah, 21,520, because market has a gap here to be filled. Okay, and after that then you have a clear cut picture of the gap, and then this level. So these two targets. So the entry point for tomorrow, you have to patiently wait for the entry point, and then you have to take your trade. So the entry point would be 21,528, sorry, 21,519, and then the targets would be 21,456 and 21,388. Okay, so I'm strongly on a bearish side, but if somewhere in this area, if market is taking a support and moving upward, then you have to take a target of 21,608, which is round number, and second target you can go for this, and the final target would be this. So 21,608, 21,664 and 21,744 would be your targets if you are entering from 21,519. So these are the levels in Nifty. So let's go to Fin Nifty, and today was the expiry of Fin Nifty, and if you see in 5 minutes time frame, what exactly market did was, market again a gap up. Okay, market gave a gap up, and then there was a strong trend line which was coming. Okay, not this one, yeah, so there is a proper trend line type pattern. Why proper trend line type pattern? Because if you see this zone, okay, this zone is acting as a resistance, and market exactly broke this level. Okay, if you see this, we can keep it here, yeah. So this was the level which I was waiting for, and then after that when it fall, it gave a beautiful pattern here. Okay, a double top type pattern, and market just came down and closed somewhere. So what I was thinking was, I was thinking somewhere the target would be here, but again the market just came down with a pure bearish big candles. So what we can plan for tomorrow is, let's go to daily time frame and understand the levels. So in daily time frame, if you see, market is again in a zone where it is not going anywhere. Okay, continuously there is a proper something happening in this area. So what we can plan is, we have to simply plan things. Okay, the things, there are many people who will be just telling it to you that we have to use this indicator, that indicator. If you see me, I don't use any indicators. I just use one indicator, that is 200 EMA, that too just to see how market is reacting near to it. So what I was planning is for tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you see, this level is very important. Why this is very important? Because if you see, clear cut levels are here. Okay, market has a beautiful support zone here, and after that there is a beautiful support zone in 21,051. So once these levels are broken, okay, what we can plan is, also we can plan this level 2090. So these are most important level. So the entry point for tomorrow would be 21,192. Okay, so understand the levels and then trade. So 21,192 would be our targets. So sorry, 21,162 would be our levels to entry, and 21,051, 20,911 would be our targets. But if somewhere it is taking support from this zone, then you can go for the trades. Which are the areas and the targets for you to set? So one target which I would suggest would be 21,284, and after that there is a small target here, and the final target would be all-time high. Not all-time high, but high of today's. So let's understand. So if market is taking a support from 21162, then 21824, 21326 and 21458 would be your targets. So these are the levels you have to trade well. You have to understand the levels, and then you have to trade accordingly. So let's go to Bank Nifty, and tomorrow is the expiry for Bank Nifty. So let's understand what exactly market did today. So if you see, clear cut, market opened a gap up. So somewhere before that, I would just want to say this thing. Market has shown a black cross, 3 black cross type pattern here, and if you see, continuously market is giving a gap up, and then it is falling. Then today also, and yesterday also, it was giving a gap up, and then today also gap up, and then so there are chances of market going downward. So what we can plan for tomorrow is, before checking out, just let's see at Gift Nifty. So Gift Nifty indication a minor gap up. So what we can plan for tomorrow and how market reacted today, let's understand in 15 minutes time frame. So as I told you, market is giving a beautiful rally. So here if you see, market took a gap up, went up, took a resistance nearest 200 EMA, and then gave a fallback from post 2 p.m. So what I would suggest is, I took a trade here. Okay, as I told you, I don't show you the PNL for everyday's trade, and there are a couple of accounts for me where I'm trading, my team is trading, and we all together trade sometimes. So there are many things. So as soon as market gave a breakout from this zone, okay, this was my entry point, and somewhere this level, this was the support zone. So till here I captured a beautiful capital. So from here till here, if you see, I captured a capital of 308 points. So it was a beautiful trade, and I just took the trade, and it was a beautiful rally. So in 15 minutes time frame, what we have to do, we have to plan the entry and exit. So here we don't have a clear picture, so let's go to 1 hour's time frame, and here there is a clear cut picture. So this would be our entry point for tomorrow. Why for tomorrow? Because market is acting a beautiful support zone. So I would suggest one more line, and that would be 1 year and 1 year. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and understand what exactly market is doing this at this zone. So 47,152 would be our target points, the entry points. Okay, 46,971 would be your first target. Why first target? If you see clear cut, this would be your target. Okay, and if you see here, there is a beautiful support here also. So 3 targets for tomorrow. Why for 3 targets? Because as I told you, in higher time frame you just see there are 1 or 2 touch points, but in lower time frames you are getting a multiple touch points. So these are the levels. So I have given you proper targets. So where you have to entry, 47,152 would be your entry point, then 46,998, 46,765 and 46,578 would be your targets. But if market is taking a support from 47,152, then you have to take the entry, 1 target, 2 target and 3 target. So understand the targets. So 47,152 would be an entry level, then 47,469, and after that 47,603 and 47,896 would be your targets. So these are the targets in AU Bank, Bank Nifty, Nifty and Fin Nifty. If you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment box, or you can personally ping me on my social media. I'll clear all your doubts. So see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.